welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So ladies, today we're talking about the latest in beauty subscription box, and it arrived yesterday. So obviously Mondays I work in the family business, so it's like a no-go zone for anything to do with my channel or my beauty or anything like that. I literally take the day off because it's my way of just, you know, getting all my thoughts, gathering my thoughts and getting myself pumped up for Tuesdays. But anyway, let's get into the video because you really don't want to hear about that, do you? Latest in beauty subscription box is £18 and you're getting over £50 to £100 worth of products, and you get to pick 3, 6 or 9 products. So I went for the 9 because I just love testing out new products, and I'm so excited for this month. So this was January's, so I'm a couple of days late, sorry guys. February's is on its way, and all my other boxes, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, let's get into the video. Today's box, we have a pie light work rose hip cleansing oil. It comes in a little tube like this, and it tells you how to use it and what's inside and basically what it does. So I'm looking forward to giving that a go. Then we have a 3-in-1 blemish fighting kit, and this is a breakout box, and I really like the look of that because at the minute I seem to be getting a lot of hormone spots. Obviously I'm due on, and I only just tend to get them down here, so I thought before they break out and I can feel them, I'll just pop these out and see what they do. So I'm really excited to try these out. Let's see what there's 3 different. Oh, so yeah, there's 3 different. Some detoxifying nose strips. You've got 3 in there. Then you have 24-hour blemish shrinking salicylic acid dots. That's how you put it. I don't know. Then we have some. That's obviously with that. I don't know what that is. Here, there's 24 shrinking salicylic acid dots. And then you've got 24 pore clearing anti-blemish dots. And then you've got this, which is a storage pore clearing anti-blemish dots. So basically there must be 3 packets. I don't know. How is this? It's got it in Greek, not English. But anyway, we'll figure it out. And when I say this is what comes in that little box, okay? When you get it, you can figure it out and hopefully have a better start than me. So there you go. Phew. The Nooks. This is a face balm, intensely nourishes, soothes and helps to repair. This was in the product of fame. You know how they have their little product of the week. Oh, I've already got this. A microderm jet regenerator. I've already got one of these, so I'll put this in a giveaway. I need to do a giveaway because I've got quite a few products I need to get rid of. Beck's Cool Down Primer and Recovery Gel. So I'm obviously starting the gym. I would, so it's a Cool Down Primer and Recovery Gel. It's an iconic high performance formula ensuring a smooth, sweat resistant, flawless coverage which holds your makeup firmly in place and eliminates post-workout redness. Well, first of all, didn't think of that. I don't wear makeup. I'm not going to be wearing makeup at the gym because I just think that's gross. With all the fact of the sweatiness, and no, I literally go red though, so I might just use it just to stop the redness, hopefully, so we can figure that one out. That's why I got it for. So Cool Down Primer and Recovery Gel. I have a Sponge Clean by Basic Beauty Tools, and it's a liquid foundation blender cleanser. So it was for the beauty blenders and stuff like that because I need to try it. I thought I'd give it a go. I have a scalp scrub from Umberto Giannini, and it's removed the build-up that can cause a dry, oily and itchy scalp for faster renewal of skin cells, perfect for new hair to grow longer, stronger hair faster. And it's caffeine and black coffee seed extract, sea salt granules, Irish moss, seaweed and algae. So I'm looking forward. Oh, that's what you need to do. Oh god. It smells amazing. Right, so this is a scalp from a scrub from my hair, my scalp, shall I say? Okay, and I'm actually writing a blog up about that. So I'm doing a diary entry on my blog, and the first one will be going up today. My hair feels quite good because the conditioner they gave me doesn't, because anti-dandruff shampoo does like to dry your hair out. So they gave me a nice conditioner to go with it because I filled out a quiz, and then they gave me a recommended conditioner, and it's giving it that nice, yeah. So anyway, but I'm going to give this a try as well and see how I get on with that. Okay, so then we have a Saint-Tropez self-tan sheet. It's a bronzing face mask. I'm actually intrigued to see how this goes. I don't do sunbeds. I've never been on a sunbed out of the 36 years of my life. And spray tans, yes, I've done, but never a sunbed. Too much Final Destination thoughts go in my head for something like that, and just get a little bit claustrophobic, so no thanks. So yeah, I'm going to give the bronzing sheet a go from Saint-Tropez. And then we've got a Strip It Off exfoliating sheet mask, a fruit acid infusion combined with an advanced fibrous mud mask which gently exfoliates the skin. Orange and lemon extracts combined with clays and charcoal leave you naturally invigorated, giving you the confidence to be you and get fresh. Blah, blah. What is wrong with me today? Get your words out. We are still talking face here. So it's for all skin types, and it's just a single use mud mask. So I'm looking forward to giving these a try. And that's oh shit, sugar, sorry. That's another sheet mask as well, as in it's just one sheet mask. And then that's it. Latest in beauty in my January box. And I know I'm a few days late, sorry guys. To just suppose. Anyway, next up we have, this is called Mask Time, and this is a subscription. This is a subscription for face masks, and this arrived yesterday as well, and I love the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you know when you order something and you forget about it? Well, that's what this was about. And then in here it has the menu. So January Glow Setter menu, and it tells you exactly all the products that are in here. And then you just get some sheet masks. Every month you get some new sheet masks, and we'll go through which one we've got. So here we've got a Freon Vita. These are Korean face masks, by the way, and it's an aqua peeling filtering mask, Centella Vita. Okay, and it's retailing at £3.50. And it's a pore clearing mask. I could actually do that because I feel like my pores could do with a good clean. And it is a True Nature green tea pore clearing mask, and that's at £3. Round Lab, shall I say. And it's an apple peeling mask. It's all in Chinese, so I can't read that, or Korean, and I can't read that. So it's just saying that it's an apple a day, keeps the wrinkles at bay. This exfoliating and skin softening mask gives you your skin a revitalised and smooth feel. So I'm going to give that a try, and that's retailing at £3. The packaging is really cute on this one, and this is from S Plus Miracle, the Miracle of Beauty. It's a Korean traditional recipe mask for moisturising, and founded in Dongui Bogam, a historical medicinal journal compiled by a royal physician, will give you healthy skin like never before. And this retails at £3 as well. From the Seam, it's a natural sheet mask, and it's a natural gold kiwi mask, retailing at £3. And this is going to ultra hydrating and replenishing mask is infused with the nutritious gold kiwi extract that promotes a smooth texture and complexion. So yeah, that's another one. SMP, a fruit gelato moisture mask in coconut, and that's £3.50. We've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. This SMP moisture mask not only contains coconut extract but also carries a refreshing coconut aroma that brings your mind and body to a place of pure bliss. Coconuts, sun, sea, hammock, yeah, I wish. So anyway, that's that, and that's retailing at £3.50. and it's a Yun Mask Hydrating Mask. And this mask keeps your skin revitalized and moisturized. Chitosan is an extract contained in the amapule of this mask that allows the skin to quickly absorb the watery essence while cleansing the skin from unwanted bacteria and submol. And this is retailing at £4.50. Skin will love. So in each one it's like sunflower extract, cinnamon bark, ginseng, vitamin H, green tea, chamomile. So each one will have the ingredients and why your skin will love the ingredients in that actual mask. So yeah, new year, new skin. And then it's got some tips there as well. So this is retailing, I think, at £18 as well, £18.95, something like that. I'm sure of it. I'll leave all the links down below so you guys can go and check it out. But you get all these face masks, which I'm going to add to my collection down there. And yeah, so if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I really appreciate all the love and support for this channel. It's growing slowly but surely, but you know what, I am hopefully helping you gain the confidence back within yourself. And not only that, just getting yourself used to products that you'd probably be really scared to use. So that's what I love about this subscription box, because you get to learn about new products, new brands and ingredients and stuff like that, and it's just a fab way of getting knowledge around beauty and skincare. For me today, I hope you all have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.